Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with the side button. It's a super convenient way to make secure payments. To begin, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your default payment card will then appear on the screen, ready for use. You'll then authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. This quick action gets you ready to pay in just a few seconds. Once your card is displayed and authenticated, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. You'll feel a subtle vibration and see a check mark on your screen indicating a successful transaction. It's that simple. There's no need to open any apps or even fully unlock your device. The side button shortcut streamlines the entire process for you. What if you want to use a different card than your default? No problem. After double-clicking the side button, simply tap on your primary card displayed on the screen. This will reveal all the other cards you have added to your wallet. You can then scroll through and select the desired card before completing your authentication. It's easy to manage multiple payment methods. Adding new cards to Apple Pay is straightforward. Just open the Wallet app and follow the prompts. Regarding security, Apple Pay is designed with your privacy in mind. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or on Apple servers. Instead, each transaction uses a unique, device-specific number and a dynamic transaction code, ensuring your financial information remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.